Sorry guys, camera just died. Had to go back to the other digital. As we continue on, we just pulled a Bryce Harper green auto numbered to 199 out of Platinum. A-Rod, Yanks, Evan Longoria, Rays, Jared Mitchell, White Sox, Dummy, and David Wright, and Zach Greinke. A's are ice cold, that's right. You guys did get a hit already, though. You guys got a hit. Chris Sale, White Sox, CC Sabathia, Yanks, whoops, Matt Moore, Dummy, Clayton Kershaw, and Dustin Pedroia. This one feels nice and thick. Kendry Morales, Angels. Corey Lupke, Padres. Jared Mitchell, X-Fractor, White Sox. Dummy, Adrian Gonzalez, Clay Buchholz, Bryce Harper green. What a sick individual. Carlos Pena, Cubs, Josh Hamilton, Drew Pomeranz, numbered to 199 for the Indians, Dummy, Yonder Alonso, Reds, and Troy Tulowitzki, Rocks. Sports Card Radio, you guys got the Marlins also. The Marlins and somebody else, and you guys pulled the Leo Nunez bat auto, numbered to 199. Brad Emas, Mets. Yep, that's him. Chipper, Jake Marisnick, Blue Jays, Dummy, Jared Weaver, and CC Fat Bathia. Hang on guys, be right back. Taking forever and a freaking day to bust this box. Bryce Harper green. Here, check it out, dude. Bryce Harper green. A lot. He signs after every minor league game for all the kids. Also, Hunter Pence, Matt Latos, and if one Bryce Harper wasn't enough, there's another Bryce Harper, X-Fractor. Bryce box, yep. Ichiro. And my man, Freddie. TMCD is raking it. He is raking it. See, at first, everybody else was getting all the hits. And then, the mojo. Austin Jackson. Yeah, what a great thing to wake up to, huh? Carlos Gonzalez. For sure, man. Like a $400 card. Austin Hyatt, Phillies, dummy, John Lester, and Carlos Santana. I think a Bryce Harper green is, I'd rather have that. Yeah, no doubt. Zimmerman. Nets. Morneau. Twins. DeShields. Astros. Dummy. Jake McGee. And Evan Longoria. Especially out in Cali, right? You guys got the hookups out there, man. Cliff Lee. Look at this Ruby for Tim Lincecum fan. He got a green out of this box too. Have yourself a box, will ya? Timmy. Oh, that's for Sports Card Radio. Never mind. There you go, SCR. David Cooper. Dummy. Vernon Wells. And Andrew McCutchen. That's the box, guys. I'll be back with 2 more for me and Adam. Peace.